How to fix SteamVR Error 499. So if you want to fix SteamVR Error 499, then what you need to do is first, you need to open up your file manager, or before that, you need to search for graphics settings. Click on that. Then you need to go with graphics setting performance. Go with browse, or just simply search from the list. Just simply go with add, which will be on the bottom right. Go with add desktop app or a Microsoft Store app. And then just simply go and search for local disk C. Then scroll down and you will have program files. Click on program files. After that, scroll down or locate the Steam option. Once you find Steam, click on it. Or you may also find the Steam application. After finding the Steam application, just click on Steam and then choose to add Steam. And you can set the graphic preferences for high performance and then click on save. Now, another option is by going into your Steam client. So open up your Steam client or click on your Steam. And once you open up your Steam, you need to just simply go with Steam again, which will be in the top left, and then go with settings. And once you're on your settings here, you will have the download option. You need to click on download and then you will have clear download cache. You need to go with clear cache, which will be in the bottom right. And once done, you can close this window. And then you need to go with library, which will be in the top left. And for example, let's go, I'll just simply select a random game. For example, this one, you need to right click here. And then you will have an option of properties. Click on properties and make sure that the option of enable the Steam overlay while in game is turned on. So make sure this is turned on. Now you can close this and then restart your Steam or your PC just to make sure. And once you're back on your screen, everything should now be working smoothly. That's it. And if you have any questions, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.